Hey everybody, it's me, Auntie Allison, and
Selma.
and our other faithful helper, Sophie. That's right. Sophie has to be sometimes in the middle of everything. Anyway, that's okay. So today we're going to talk about the very busy spider. Now, I did a video on the very busy spider and included some things about spiders. So if you haven't seen that, you might want to watch it. The very busy spider, obviously, is about a spider. And the spider goes across the farmyard and lands on a fence post and begins to spin her web. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you how to do that in a few minutes. First, I'm going to show you this web. I should probably say that everything that I show you today, there is a link in the description below. So you have access to everything that I'm showing you. Okay, so this comes with a web and
a
spider and all of the animals that you see in the book. All right, so when we do this, I would put the web on this side and show them how the spider goes across the yard, woo, and lands on the fence post and starts to spin her web. So she is right there spinning her web, and then you cut out all of the animals and put them on a popsicle stick so they're like puppets, okay? And then they can go over there and talk to the spider just like they do in the book. So what you're doing is you're retelling the story, or your child is retelling the story. You are learning about the animals, you're learning about the animal names, and you're learning their sounds. Okay, so we'll do a couple of them. Here's the horse. The horse talked to the spider and said, "Want to play?" And the horse says, "Nay, nay."
Nay.
But the spider was too busy, wasn't she? So she didn't play. Then came the what?
Cow.
The cow. And what does that cow say?
Moo, moo.
Moo, moo. Would the spider play?
No.
No. What was she?
Too busy spinning her web.
She was too busy spinning her web. Okay? Then we have the sheep. Ba, ba.
Ba, ba.
He wanted to play with the spider, but could the spider play?
No.
No.
She was too busy spinning her web.
Too busy spinning her web. We'll do one. So then we have the pig. Oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
The dog. Woof, woof.
The cat. Meow. The duck. Quack, quack.
Good. The rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And
The owl.
hoo hoo. Now, before the owl comes on, the rooster wants to catch a pesky fly. And so who catches the fly just like that?
The spider.
The spider. So the fly gets caught in the web. Okay? Now, I wouldn't glue these down because you will want to do this multiple times, or you'll want your children to be able to play with it multiple times. You could also put your puppet sticks in a Ziploc bag, or you could put them in a cup, and that way your child knows that these are farm animals, and they can come over here and go, "Oh, look, it's a pig, oink, oink," okay? Or they might say, "Mom, I don't know what this one is." "Oh, it's a horse." "Nay, nay." So they can start to learn all of the animals, okay?
Yes.
So there's one activity that we have.
Yes.
Now, we also have, because in the video, we talked about a letter, we talked about a number, and we talked about a color. So here we have S is for spider. And so you can talk about the S, talk about the sound the S makes, and then your child can color the spider. And they'll color the S. So even if this is just an introduction, at least they are seeing the S and the spider and putting those things together. The other was the number 8. Because the spider has 8 legs, we chose the number 8. Then you can count the lemons with your child, and they can practice writing the 8 if they're at that point. If they're not, that's okay. Again, you're introducing them, and they're getting experience with the number 8. And then we did the color black, because the spider is black. Then you can talk about the different things that can be or are black. And then here's the word black down at the bottom. So they're being exposed to that word and they can color it. And you can talk about the B, the O, ack, black. So y'all can talk about how to break apart that color word if you want to.
Yes, you can.
Now, all of those things are in the description below, like I said earlier. But these websites that I included for you, they have lots of other resources on there that you can print out and download for your children. Okay. All right. Now, this was a little difficult.
Yes.
Okay. So, we took 2 pom-poms, the same size.
Yes, and I'll hold on to this.
Okay, and I glued them together. Now, I tried the Elmer's glue because I thought, oh, the children will want to do this themselves. The Elmer's glue was a bust. It did not work at all. So I had to get out my glue gun. So you're gonna have to do this for your child and do the glue gun to glue them both together.
And as you can see, these are Christmas colors.
Yeah, they are.
It's okay.
But your child can pick out any color they want.
Yes, they can.
Now the eyes, the Google eyes, I got a multi-size bag, and I got these at Dollar General. You can get them at
Publix, Dollar Tree, anywhere basically, or online.
And at Walmart too.
Yes.
Okay, so really any place where you go and they have a craft section, you'll be able to get the Google eyes.
Yes, but we used the miniature size.
We did use the teeny tiny.
As you can see right here.
Now, I did use the Elmer's glue on that one. It was still difficult, so if you want your child to try it, they can do it and it will work. It's just hard.
Very hard.
But you could also use the glue gun instead.
Yes, if you have trouble doing it.
Right. Now, what I did, and I have all of these, we used to call them pipe cleaners, but they're chenille sticks. So your child can pick out whatever color they want, and you may want them to do black, okay? Sarah Beth likes pink, a pink spider. So you need 2 chenille sticks, and then you're going to fold them or bend them in half like this.
And I will hold that.
And take your scissors and cut them right there.
But use your safety scissors.
That's right. If it's a small child, you definitely need to use your safety scissors. Okay, so now you have 4 pipe cleaners, okay? And in the middle, you want to twist them together.
And if you hear like a sound, don't worry, that is a good sound. So you know you're twisting.
Yeah, that's the wire, right?
Yeah, that's the wire.
Yeah, and the wire's going to hold it together.
Yes.
So again, this is going to be a part where you want to use your glue gun.
Yes, to put.
I think I did use the Elmer's glue and it worked, but you have to hold it and let it set for a minute before you put it down, okay?
Yes.
So use your glue gun, put some glue right there, and then put your body on top of it, okay?
Yes. Oh.
And then once it's all finished,
Yay.
you can do the legs. So take your legs, bend them twice, 2 times.
Mom.
Sarah Beth, you do some,
Thanks.
Mhm.
I'll do this side.
okay? The more your child does, the better. This is going to really help with some fine motor skills. There you go. Good job. Good job. Do the other side too.
Okay. Let me bend them all down first.
Okay.
Because I think that will help.
Okay, that's great. This will also be a good time for you to talk about how many legs a spider has again, and 8 because you can use the 8 page. Also, you might want to talk about how many body parts a spider has because it only has 2 body parts.
Yes, it does.
Okay, so once you're finished with that, you can put it to the side. And then you can make your fence just like they did in the book.
Yes.
Okay? So you need, let's see, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
Yes.
6 popsicle sticks.
Let me get
So you need 6 popsicle sticks. And I used Elmer's glue for this, although they said to use a glue gun. But I like for the children to be able to do this as much as they possibly can by themselves. So I would use the Elmer's glue, but that's up to you. Okay?
Go.
So they are going to take 2 popsicle sticks and glue them together, one end to the other.
Okay.
Okay?
Let me get the 2.
Okay.
1, 2.
There you go.
And let me put these right here with the spirals.
Good job. Okay. So now put your glue on one end of a popsicle stick.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I already opened it for you.
Oh. So put it right here.
That's fine.
Put a dot.
Okay.
I'll just put the 1 dot.
Then take this and put one end of that popsicle stick on top. Yes, there you go. And then hold it down for, I would say count to at least 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So now you can leave it right there so it can continue to dry. And then you can do your other side. And then you glue the 2 ends together. Okay?
So get 2.
Mm-hmm. Get 2
1,
more.
2.
Right?
Put the other ones off to the side.
Mm-hmm. Do the same thing there.
So
Then the last part on here is hooking them together. Okay? So I'm going to kind of show you on this side.
Okay.
Or I'll show you on this side. So you kind of put it right there.
Yes.
All right. Then you're going to put glue here and here.
Okay.
And then you're going to put this one on top. And you'll put this one on top.
Okay.
Okay? Mm-hmm. Now, while she's doing that, I'll tell you about the string. You can pick any kind of string that you want. Anything that you happen to have around the house. Now, I happened to get this at Dollar General too. I love to go to Dollar General, so you'll hear me talk about it a lot. Tied it right here, and then I just started doing it around, not in any specific order because sometimes spider webs are not in any specific order. And then when I got to the end, I tied another knot at the end of it. And then you have your spider web. And like I said, again, you can use any kind of string that you want. And then when you are finished, guess what? You can put your spider, or your child can put their spider in the spider web. Huh? How about that? And then you can display it however you want. Now I want to say one more thing. You do not have to do all of these activities with your child. You pick and choose which activities you want to do with your child and where your child is developmentally, okay? And then you see how much you need to help your child and how much they can do on their own. Again, it's down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Bye. Good job, Sarah Beth.
Thank you for this.